Hello?
That's me again.
Oh, yeah, listen. I had Associated Leisure on the other day, and they want to know whether we can deliver boxes on Wednesday instead of Friday.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
We've got anything delivered scheduled for Friday. Just hold on, let me check the production.
Okay.
Hold on.
I'm Joanne Arbiter, and this is the Arbiter Discmaster CD Jukebox. It's the world's first fully computerized compact disc jukebox. It takes 60 compact discs, which is around 1,000 songs. If you look down here, we have our 60 disc player, which if I open up, the disc can slot out on the disc tray, which is like that. It's all numbered, so the collector knows which records to change. Which slots back like that. So open the flap here, and you'll find a computer cartridge here, which contains all the information of what's on the screen and the popularity of plays, and also how much money the box has taken. So I'll put that back in. Then I'll show you how we lift the lid up to get into the insides, which is all on hydraulic lifts, which is wonderful. And then you can pull the monitor forward to get into the coin handling, which is down the side here. And there's an amplifier that's on a tray at the back. So if I shut this up.
I'd like to thank you all for coming, and I'd like to thank you all for supporting the first British Coin Machine Industry Awards for 1988. And the first award, a young lady that has recently come into the industry, although the name has been synonymous with the coin machine industry for a very, very long time. So I would like to ask Mr. Joanne Arbiter to come along and collect the award for the best CD jukebox of 1988, which, believe it or not, is a British machine, and we're all proud of that. Thank you very much.
I'd like to say a few thank yous. First to Ron Holmes and Associated Leisure for believing in Discmaster in the early stages and for their support throughout the year. I'd also like to thank the Arbiter AMS team for all their hard work and dedication, and especially my father for making it all possible. And I'd also like to thank you all for this award. It's wonderful.
Thank you, Joanne, and well done.
The first phonograph was invented by Edison, but a gentleman called Louis Glass was the first guy who made it coin-operated. He installed a unit probably similar to this in the Palais Royal in San Francisco. They used to line a whole load of them up on the bar, and they were actually with headphones like this because you couldn't have a whole load of them all blaring out, playing different tunes on. So people used to sit around. I think there was 4 headpieces like this to one machine. But there's a little catch to the whole thing, because really the English invented the jukebox, because there's a patent in 1888 that says a guy called Charles Adams Randall invented the jukebox. And so the Brits have done it again, because here we are 100 years later, and we're the first people with a compact disc jukebox. So I'll show you how it works now. So I have to wind it up here. Don't have to do that on ours. As you can see, you couldn't have a lot of people listening to all this going on at once, so I'll show you how the earpieces work like this. Walkman of the